What is going on, Scream Squad? It is me, your boy Scream Reactions, and I am back with another YouTube video, y'all. Today, I got a new short film for y'all called The Monkey by JoBlo Horror. And without further ado, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, make sure you guys go and do that now. Let's get straight into it, y'all. On gang.
Everybody, my name is Osgood Perkins, and I'm the writer and director of The Monkey, which is based on a short story by Stephen King and produced by my friend James Wan. As a Christmas present for all of you, I'm going to be showing you a short scene from the picture. The movie itself is pretty dark, but a lot of fun, with some really insane kills in it, keeping in the spirit of the short story written by Mr. King. So here, have a look.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, the bear stylish? Okay. Had the little circus music playing in the background. Hold on. Hey. Don't intrude, okay? Don't go in there. She's coming through with the revolver. You woke her out her sleep. It's gonna go bad for you. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. Please don't. Don't go down there. Leave. No. Ooh. My night would have sucked. Yo. Hold on. Her night's going terribly bad. And the music is playing. It's like the background music of the circus music and stuff is playing. Like, bro, her night is going bad. Let's see what happens here, y'all.
That's enough. That's
Bro.
enough. I'm sure you can see where this is going, but I'm
You
going to leave
can.
it there. You can see the rest in theaters.
You can.
February.
Hold on. You cannot do that to us. No.
21st, 2025.
Bro.
Come on, baby, let's have some fun.
Bro. You can. Oz, good Perkins, bro. You cannot leave us on a cliffhanger like that. Oh my gosh, that was getting so good. That was, oh my gosh, man. That was getting so good. I wanted to see what was going to happen. Dang. Oz. Hey. Y'all did your big one on this one, man. Like he said, y'all, the date is right there for when it's going to hit theaters. I know for a fact I'll be there to see it. Hope you guys be there to see it. Man, he left us on a cliffhanger. I wanted to see what was going to happen. That was a really good short film. That was really, really good. Hey, that was really good. He left us on a cliffhanger. Bro, like, why? I wanted to see what was going to happen. Man. Oz, why, my boy? Y'all, if y'all like that one, make sure you sub, just like, and comment down below, man. What you guys think about this? Do you think it's going to live up to the hype? He says Stephen King illustrated or whatnot. Seems like a really good horror film, for real. Hey, without further ado, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.